Once you learn how to solder, working with these tiny solderable blanks is quite easy. There's just 3 things that we want to make sure you know. One, of course, got to make sure that your metal is clean. And 2, both pieces that you'll be soldering together need to be flat. You need to have a good point of contact. And 3, we're going to work on getting the perfect amount of solder on there. If I were to solder these 2 copper birds onto the sterling blank here, I would just want to make sure that they're very flat. Sometimes when they're fabricated, because they're so thin, they get a little bit bent. So I'm going to lay them flat on my bench block, and using my nylon hammer or a rawhide hammer, I'm just going to tap them. Don't jump away, to make sure that they're nice and flat. If you wanted to solder something like this puffy heart, it's got a little dimension to it. It's got a little thin edge. You can sort of see on camera here. And I'm not quite sure that it's flat. So in order to flatten it, I'm going to lay it on sandpaper or a sanding stick like this, and I'm going to just swipe it back and forth a whole bunch. Not only is this going to flatten it, but it's also going to create, well, it's going to widen that edge, which is going to give me a better contact point when I solder it. So now you can see maybe a little bit there. It's got a bit of a wider edge. That's going to give me a better solder joint. You want to make sure that you get just the right amount of solder on your little solderable. And we like to use the paste solder. I hold the little metal piece within my cross-locking tweezers, acts as a nice handle. I'm just going to place it right in there and hang on to it with that. I like to hold it in this end of the tweezer because after I have my solder on, I can then just flip it over and place it on the spot I want to solder. So let's get a little bit of solder on our pick and apply it. So too little amount of solder will make your 2 pieces fall apart and they won't actually adhere to each other, and too much will sort of make a mess. It's a fine balance. Spread it around depending on the piece that you're working with here. You don't want to get too much to the edge, and you don't want to be too light with it either. So that's about the right amount, just like that. Now I've got my solder on my little blank, and I'm going to place it on this blank here. My bird's upside down. I'm keeping that in mind for where I place it. And right there. Move it gently if you need to. So now you're ready to solder. Just keep in mind that some of these solderables are pretty thin, so don't overheat it. You don't want to melt it. Have fun!